Bluey and Bingo burst out of the house shouting, "Surprise today!" Their paws stomped the porch, tails flying. Bandit held a small box, grinning wide. Bluey gasped, "What's inside?" Bingo whispered, "Treasure?" Bandit laughed, "Even better. Could mystery shake this hard?" The box opened, and a tiny puppy barked. Ears floppy, eyes bright, tail wagging fast. Bluey screamed, "Our own dog?" Bingo shouted, "We have a pet." The puppy yipped and tumbled over, licking their paws. Could joy explode this big? They named him Rocket, because he zoomed across the yard faster than lightning. Bluey chased, barking, "Slow down." Bingo tripped over a toy, laughing, "He's unstoppable." Rocket dug holes, chewed sticks, splashed in water bowls. Could chaos be this cute? Coco and Snickers rushed over, gasping, "You got a dog?" Rocket leapt on them, wagging, knocking Coco's basket of shells everywhere. Snickers yelled, "Vroom! Even my car can't catch him." Everyone howled with laughter. Could friendship grow this fast? Muffin stormed in shouting, "I want to walk him." She grabbed the leash, Rocket pulled like a rocket indeed, dragging Muffin across the grass. Bluey shouted, "Hold tight." Bingo laughed so loud she fell over. Could adventure feel this wild? But suddenly Rocket disappeared. Silence froze the yard. Bluey whispered, "Where is he?" Bingo's eyes filled, "Did we lose him?" Everyone searched, calling, shouting, hearts racing. Could fear hit this quick? Then a bark echoed from the treehouse. Rocket wagged proudly on the roof, tail high. Bluey gasped, "How did he climb up there?" Bingo laughed in tears, "He's magic." With teamwork they guided him down safe. Could relief feel this sweet? As the sun set, Rocket curled in Bluey's arms, eyes closing, tiny snores filling the night. Bluey whispered, "He's family now." Bingo smiled, "And we'll protect him forever." Could love feel this real? Bluey looked at you, eyes glowing. If Rocket made you laugh, cheer, and race with us, smash like, subscribe, and join our pack next time. Who knows what crazy pet might come home tomorrow?